These past 2 days, the entire internet has gone crazy because Claude S supermodel Fable 5 was released, and it suddenly scored 20 points higher than second place. All the veteran AI users are acting like it costs nothing. Some people use it to make a game with one sentence. Some use it to make an operating system with one sentence. Some use it to solve math problems with one sentence, and someone only sent one hello and watched $10 disappear. It feels like everyone has suddenly become all-powerful. I just want to know, are your wallets still okay? Are all of you secretly rich? I had originally made a video about the official Codex case library. The video was already edited and ready to publish, but then Fable 5 showed up and made me too embarrassed to post it. Altman must not be feeling great either, getting pressed to the ground and rubbed into it. I do have some difficult work, so I wanted to let Fable 5 try it and see what it can do. I am developing a model trainer and a labeling tool. These days, I also need to add the new model ideogram 4, and the labeling tool needs a new JSON canvas format. I asked the GPT 5.5 to make the plan, and Fable 5 to review and execute it. One task was not even finished, and it already burned $500 for me. I was halfway through, and I did not dare switch models. So I could only recharge another $500. I cannot even earn $1,000 from one version update. I truly regret it so much. My intestines have turned green. To be honest, Eddie King is not only good at developing models and PUA-ing Chinese people. Its marketing narrative is also incredible. It feels like if you do not try Fable 5, you are not qualified to play with AI. Codex is almost updating daily and still cannot catch up. The first thing I do every morning after opening my eyes is download the Codex update. It feels like OpenAI and Anthropic are in a hot war. Does it really have to be like this? Can they really guarantee model safety? Users cannot even keep up with the updates. Everyone feels tired. After testing it, I found that Fable 5 can even find research mistakes made by subagents and PUA the subagents. My task is still not finished. After it is done, the latest labeling tool features and trainer features will be Fable 5's work. I will pay the money, and the family can use the thing for free. Use it however you like. Meeting dismissed.